Hello everyone. We are here again to discuss about outlook on copper, the industrial metal. Before I start, let me request you to please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive more updates on our commodities and currency markets. Now let's start with copper. Just to mention that this video is in follow-up to our video which I published in July 17 for the copper outlook on the current quarter, where the projections given were as per the expectations, as we saw that copper prices almost touched $8,000 per ton levels on LME in the current month after rising to around about 8,800 levels on LME in the July month. Now, what has happened in the July quarter that has led to the downside in the prices? That's what we also discussed in the earlier videos. Now, let's start. That copper witnessed almost a flat quarter this quarter, where it was a decline of around 0.5%, where last 2 months have seen a decline after copper rose to 8,800 in the July month. What has led to these declines? What we have seen, as in the first chart, that these copper markets are in the widest contango of this year, where it almost touched, the cash prices almost touched $70 per ton levels in the current month, which is the widest contango in the entire decade. This is indicating an ample supply concerns, as also the copper market is in a widest contango of this year. So going ahead, what we saw is another chart is the copper inventories on the exchanges have been also on the yearly high levels. LME exchanges inventories are at the widest level in the 18 months at around 1,67,225 tons. This is indicating an ample supply concerns also and weighing on the sentiments. Going ahead, what we see is like copper prices is still expected to remain on the negative bias for the current quarter, where the current rally is almost not deniable, but what we can see is based on the weaker demand concerns from China, as well as from the concerns persisting from the growth concerns in China because of the various stimulus measures that have been announced, has also disappointed the copper markets. So we expect copper may rally about $8,500 per ton levels on LME, but for the current quarters we can still expect a downside, where we can expect some downside levels up to $7,800 to $7,500 per ton on the LME. So this is our major updates on the copper market. I hope you have gone through these updates, and stay tuned for more on the same. Thank you very much.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.